Good afternoon, good evening, depending upon which part of the world you are joining us from. So, this is Dr. Vijay Agarwal. I'm the president of CAHO, welcoming you on behalf of my governing committee and also on behalf of ESQA to this very innovative program of continuing quality education series. And it is the second theme on the facility management and hospital safety today. So I welcome you all to this very important program. This is an initiative of our Quality Professionals Wing, which is being led by Dr. Anuradha Pichumani. And this particular program has been curated by the organizing chairperson is Mr. Joy Chakravarti, who is the CEO of the PD Hinduja Hospital, Mumbai, and is also the zonal chairman of CAHO, as well as he is very ably assisted as the organizing secretary for this program by Mr. Nishant Jaiswal, who is the general manager operations of Nanavati Hospital, Mumbai, and is also the Maharashtra state chairperson. And of course, Mr. Vinod Kumar KB, who is a consultant FMS for Rajagiri Hospital, as well as the consultant and head of the VBG Consulting Engineers. And Mr. Vinod is a real, I would say, one of our stellar resource person for the facility management program. So I welcome you all and I hand over this to Dr. Anuradha Pichumani to take the proceedings forward. Thank you, everyone.
Good afternoon to everyone. Thank you, sir. I am Dr. Anuradha Pichumani, chairperson of the Quality Professional Wing of CAHO. I welcome you all for this continuing quality education series. Now I invite Dr. Lalit Joseph, Secretary General of CAHO, to introduce CAHO's activities for today.
Good afternoon, friends. Thank you very much for joining this program, the CQE series, which is the Continuing Quality Education series. We are very proud of this series as this has initiated a lot of participation across the country and also from the Southeast Asian region. Just to introduce CAHO to you, CAHO is the consortium of accredited healthcare organizations in India. We have three verticals now, the CAHO Hospitals, CAHO Diagnostics, and CAHO Quality Professionals. We have members, hospital members, individual professionals, and laboratories, radiology, and other diagnostic facilities as our members. We are a not-for-profit society established to promote patient safety, quality, and accreditation in India. We welcome you all to this journey, and I'll tell you, it's a very, very interesting journey. And by virtue of joining this journey, you're going to be benefited, and also it will help you contribute to patient safety and quality in our industry. And I really appreciate and thank all of you once again for joining. All the speakers, we are really looking forward to listening, and particularly to our chief guest, Randy, who's joined us at 4:30 a.m. And we really look forward to listening to all of us from all your enriching talks. It's a huge knowledge gap in India with regards to infrastructure and safety. So let's use this opportunity today. And I appreciate and thank the organizing chairman and the team for putting this program together. Thank you all once again for joining, and all the very best for the success of this series. Over to you, Anuradha.
Yeah, so the Quality Professional Wing of CAHO is a division which has been coordinating a very varied range of activities, engaging all the members of CAHO. So I welcome you all delegates for this interesting program. And CAHO, through this Quality Professional Wing, has planned to conduct a series of live virtual 4-hour conclave on a particular theme every month throughout this year. So we have with us various experts with extensive domain knowledge, sharing their own experiences. And these sessions are aimed at educating healthcare workers in India and elsewhere on the best practices to adopt, to implement, with the goal of improving patient safety and quality in their own healthcare delivery. And CAHO is very honored and privileged to collaborate with ASQA, the Asian Society for Quality, in this continuing quality education series. And the theme of today's topic is facility management and hospital safety. This is a wide-ranging, deep subject that impacts the entire hospital across all the functions of the departments. And many of the topics which are going to be discussed today, the medical gas systems, the fire protection, electrical audits, all these have been a subject of the front page headlines recently, unfortunately for very wrong reasons. And hence we felt that it is very important to have this webinar so as to learn and improve our own healthcare safety. And we have with us the organizing team who has been synthesizing the different sources, coordinating with various subject matter experts to design and deliver this session in a very involved activity. And we have a very good organizing committee. And on behalf of the governing committee of CAHO and ASPA, it's my pleasure to thank and introduce the organizing chairpersons and organizing secretaries who will be moderating the rest of the session. And as Dr. Vijay Agarwal has already introduced, today's session, the organizing chairperson is Mr. Joy Chakravarti, COO of PD Hinduja Hospital, Mumbai. I welcome you, sir. We have with us Mr. Nishant Jaiswal, the General Manager Operations, Nanavati Hospital, Mumbai, and Mr. Vinod, Consultant and Head, VBG Consulting Engineers. So these are our organizing secretaries for today's program. A warm welcome to both our organizing secretaries. I request all the delegates to put a few questions in the chat box, and the expert speakers will be very happy to answer it live or in the chat box itself. I now request Dr. Joy Chakravarti to take up the proceedings and move on further. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Anuradha. Good morning to my friend Randy, who has joined from Cleveland. And good afternoon to the rest of the participants from India, and there are many from outside India. So you can accept the greetings on behalf of the organizing team. It is my privilege to chair this particular CQE series of CAHO. Those who are attending this session and doesn't know about CAHO, I can tell you, I'm in the healthcare sector in India for last 22 years. And I have not seen this kind of coordinated effort and actions have been taken by any professional body or agency so far to promote the quality, safety, and very importantly, the professional education for healthcare professionals. As it has been told by Dr. Agarwal as well as Dr. Lalu Joseph and followed by Dr. Anuradha, it is a series. So take this opportunity and enrich your knowledge. And today's session, facility management and hospital safety, I need not to tell, it has its own demand today. For several years, it remained somehow, I can't say ignored, but overlooked. Always the clinical care took the center stage. But today, at least in Indian scenario, it has become very pertinent that if you really need to give quality care, you need to create safe environment. You need to create a facility which can go hand in hand with your clinical quality care. Keeping this in the mind, the second series event has been organized today. We have several stalwarts from the field who have joined us today and who are going to talk about the specific topics which are going to be very valuable inputs for many of us and personally for me, because when I looked at the vast experience and their skill set, I felt it is a good thing for me also to learn.